Okay guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Klaiyi Hair, and we are going to see what we're working with. Have the pre-everything tabs if you want to use these. We do have a edge band, a wig brush, edge brush, and of course HD cap. You also have a bag where you can store your wigs. Definitely need it. Now this is the wig, and it is 24 inches water wave, 13 by 4. So this is a frontal, and it's pre-everything, which means even pre-curl because it's water wave. The hair is secure as always, and I wanted to show you guys how the curls look. So this is it. Oh, pre-everything, we even have a drawstring, and I love me a wig with a drawstring. Now this is how it looks, and the lace is absolutely beautiful. Yes, the lace is given. It's pre-bleached, pre-cut. We're working with a elastic band around the back, and we have the drawstring right here, which this is how it looks. But once you use a drawstring, you pull this down, so it's a one wig fits all, and then you pull this all the way down. So it doesn't matter your head size, this will fit. This is how it looks. Now to loosen it, you have to pull the top, and then you pull the drawstring, and there you go. So for a 13 by 4 lace, we can actually do this as a glueless install because we do have the drawstring at the back, and of course a comb that I love. But I want to talk about the curls because they are so good, look so natural. I am ready to install this. Let's go. Let's see how this is gonna look. Straight from the pack. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, and that's what I thought. I didn't even add makeup to it, but this is what we're talking about. I love how the front feels already. Look at that lace. So yeah, we're working with this. We're gonna go ahead and put it onto our head. I'm not gonna pull the string as yet, just because I want to make sure it's down first. So what I'm gonna do is pin it up and start with the spray. I'm definitely gonna add spray to it. Guys, I think it has been 2 weeks or so I haven't added a wig to my head. Or it's going on 2 weeks, yeah. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never compete. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. Cause my God is real. It's like you come in perfect time, and even through the shade you keep me shining. Off track till you passed out in the line. 2+2 stress, so I've been grinding. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. Alright, so the wig is on, and I'm honestly thinking about trying some here. So we need this because so we're gonna add baby ear. We ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Okay guys, I'm gonna define the parting. Oops. People, I done made a mistake. I done made a mistake. Alright, so this is the middle part. As for me, I like this, okay? I just like it. It stays longer. So we are gonna go in. It's really easy, even though it's a 13x4 lace. It's so easy to install because it has the pre everything. Now I'm gonna wet this up and let it dry down. It's gonna look so good. Yeah, I feel like I want to pull it out first and then I wet it up. First thing first, make sure you add a mousse. I do not use gel in my curly hair because, yeah, we don't use gel, okay? We use mousse and some water. So that's what I'm about to do, so stay tuned. Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you put down those dreams and give it a love and Savior? Give it a Lord and Savior. Give it a Lord and Savior. Give it a Lord and Savior. Okay guys, let's get into the hair. I went ahead and I did my makeup, of course, but it is almost dry and I like to leave it just a little bit. Really and truly, you can rock this wig from the pack, okay? But one thing we didn't do is I didn't show you guys how I do the drawstring at the back. So we're about to do that. First, I'm gonna take this band off. The wig is wigging, okay? And then I'm gonna show you guys how I secure it even more. So we have the drawstring right here. Hopefully you guys can see. And all I'm gonna do is pull that to how tight I want it. And then once that's done, to secure it, you're going to pull this down. Now that is secure, you're going to tuck this part underneath the wig. So it's very seamless and you should have something like this. Hopefully you guys saw that, but that is it. And now this is how the wig looks. I am going to freelance and show you guys another style, of course. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I told you I like to leave my baby hair, not having baby hairs on the side rather. But let's go and see how it looks. Yes, this is it. What are your thoughts? So honestly, you can rock the wig from the pack, I'm telling you. But if you have time, you can go ahead and add mousse and add some water, and that's it. But this is it. The lace is lacing. And I'm gonna go in and show you guys a updo, and we might do another one. So this is how it looks in the back. Alright, we need to try another hairstyle, okay? for some reason I wanted to do a braid, and I don't know if I should go ahead and do a braid because the wig feels so good, or you guys already know my signature style is to leave out something. So let's see how this works out, because I'm telling you, when you have a frontal wig and you can go in and freelance it like this, baby, child. Step into it, child. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. I really don't want a perfect updo. I want it to have that messy effect. You know, just look at that. I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding. This is so cute. All right, let's see how we can do this. Let's part a section off. I want more to be at the back. Wow, girls, come on now. I think there's too much over on this side, so we're gonna go back in. I could even do something like this. What? Come on. But let's see how the updo is gonna look, which means I'm not adding any more heat to the hair. Tell me, oh, a boy for style me, I don't need a man for mind me. Me got me one. The elastic verse. All right, we have to find a elastic band to put this wig in an updo. I feel like I want to use an elastic band instead of using a scrunchie or a hair tie. And this is all we're doing. Like, this is all we're doing. Like, listen, for me, I don't know about nobody else, but whenever I install a wig and I do a updo, oh, it's giving a different type of Crissy. We do find some elastic. I don't know, it's just giving, it's giving Crissy 2.0, okay? Tell me how a boy first tell me. I'm telling y'all, this is it. It's over. It is over. Can y'all see? Let's dress back because now this is the second year style, and because it's a 13x4, you guys can go ahead and you can do a side part. I want to leave mine in an updo, but it's so versatile where you could do whatever you want. This is it for me, y'all. This is it. What are your thoughts? Do you like the straight middle part, or how are you feeling about the updo? This is very easy. I did not have to use any heat, nothing. It's a curly wig, so obviously it's gonna easy to, and then you didn't have to leave out any of this, because look at that. I have the baby here, but I wanted something different, and it's giving summer vibes because it's almost summer. Updo curly or the summer, perfect. So this is it. Make sure you guys check the description, and remember it's a drawstring wig, so if you want you can also make it into a 360 wig, okay? Yes, so make sure you guys check the description bar and shop this wig. The link will be there. Look how versatile this wig is. If you're hot, all you need is a hair tie. That's all. You can use a hair tie, or a claw clip. Let me show you. Girl. Baby girl. Yes, that's it right there. That's it, y'all. Whichever way you want to do it, you can. I know my bracelet is making a lot of noise, but this is it. You can do whatever you want. So this is also, but I'm gonna leave mine out just because. So this is it. Make sure you check the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
To the place that raised me, and if it's okay, I'll just say that I was struggling